Today's video, it's going to be all about VEX Go. If you watched my last video, it was gifted to me by I don't know who, but today's video, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I've only had this kit open for 6 hours, and I'm going to let you know what I already love about it more than Lego. So here we go. This robot here. Ooh, okay. You might already have gotten to one of the things that I don't like about it, but okay, now we got it. Okay, so this VEX Go robot. Here is what I like about it already more than Lego is the fact that when you open up the kit, you're able to see all the pieces and know exactly where it's supposed to go. They actually will have all of the compartments like fit perfectly into the compartments. And then there's also a picture underneath the compartment so you can see what's supposed to go there. Now, the kit that I'm working with, there's 2 parts to the kit. So that could be a downside where with Lego, you have just one kit. With the VEX Go, there's going to be 2 parts to the kit, which, if you have the space, I guess that's not too huge of a deal. But I really like the fact that you're able to see the spaces, see that the pieces fit right there, and then there's a picture underneath to show you what piece is supposed to go there. I really like that part. Second thing that I really like about VEX Go is going to be the online instructions. I really dig the online instructions for 2 reasons. Number one, it shows you the pieces actually going in. It's not just here are the pieces and this is what it's going to look like when they're already in. They're showing you how the pieces actually fit. It's actually almost like a real-time instruction where it's showing the piece going in. And I like the fact also that I'm able to navigate the picture, where I'm able to manipulate the picture to see the different angles. That's what so frustrated me about Lego is I'm like, hey, wait a minute, I can't see the other side. But now I can flip and rotate the model so I can see where the piece is. I can see where the piece is related to the other pieces. I really, really like that part. And so it's just more user friendly for the instructions to be able to get the build done correctly. And I'll be honest with you, this guy, I did not make any mistakes because I believe the instructions are that thorough. And so that's one thing I really like. The next thing I really like is that they have this. This is going to remove the pieces that are too hard to get out. And so I wish Lego had given these in every kit. And so what's really nice is that this will just go over the piece and then you just squeeze and pull it out. Game changer right here. I love this thing. And this comes in every kit. And so I don't know, guys, I think VEX just said, hey, we're listening to our consumers. They are having issues getting those pieces taken out. They know Mr. Hino uses a hole puncher to pull his black connectors from Lego out. Let's go ahead and give them a simple tool. This is just a plastic tool, but you can see how, when your fingers get really oily or sweaty, they're really hard to pull out those Lego pieces. Now this thing can just pull out those pieces whoop, in a heartbeat. Now, here's something that I really, really like about VEX Go. I mean, this is the hugest game changer for me, is the fact that you can remote control these robots, which was something that you could do with Spike Prime, but there was a lot involved with that. And now my students can remote control this for like soccer matches. They can use these for competitions to remote control if they want to, navigate a field, pick up things, drop things off. You can do that on a computer or a tablet where it's just super easy, and any student, as long as they have a device and they're able to have internet and just connect to the VEX Go site, you can connect this. And there's 3 different ways you can navigate or control this robot. There's an arcade style, and there's a tank version, which I have not dived into enough because I've only had this for 6 hours. But already I'm able to control this, and that's something I wish all of my students had the capability of doing with their Spike Prime model. And so I am excited now to get these into the hands of my students so that we're able to do, lessons, strategies, missions. If we talk about bomb detection or bomb removal, like, the police might do, they're able to now do that with their robot. They're able to complete, missions and competitions. They're able to, just navigate and control this thing, whereas with Spike Prime, wasn't able to do that. Not with every student and not without just a ton of connections and things like that. And you know what? They don't even need a special remote for this. They can use this right on their tablet with buttons going up or down. I'm just super excited about this. So you guys are going to have to calm me down. I love this thing. Now, again, Mr. Hino, there's some things that you don't like about this. Yeah, but they're not necessarily huge. Here's one of them is they have little containers like this for the pieces. And I'm like, okay, what are my students going to do with this? Are they going to be able to contain this? Because with Lego, all they had to do was put this in the compartment, not necessarily have to close this up. So I was a little bit like, oh, what are my kids going to do when they see that? But you know what? Again, it's a give and take. And I like, again, the fact that they're able to put pieces away because they know exactly that it fits in that compartment, and they can actually see it underneath the tray and kind of helps them to put that where they go. Will they do that? You robotics teachers know that's our biggest challenge, is getting our students to not only clean up but put the pieces in the right spot. So I don't know. It's a battle we constantly wage, but we'll see on that. So guys, I'm really, really enjoying this VEX Go. I can't wait to start building more of these robots and actually putting them on the FLL table, having them control these things to finish off the school year. So I have so many more things planned for next year. I really like this kit. Whoever this was, and I think it might have been VEX. I don't know. I still don't know how they got my address. They're getting huge props from me, and they did not. Obviously, they didn't. I didn't know they were going to give it to me. I don't even know if it was them that was giving it to me. So I don't have to say all these things. I didn't have them send this to me and say, "Hey, you better tell everybody this thing is wonderful." I'm telling you this as just a robotics teacher, a robotics coach, a teacher, a person that's just had this kit for 6 hours, and I love this already more than I do Spike. Now, are there Spike builds? Are there as many Spike builds? There's a good amount. I think I might have to give it to Lego on the amount of builds that, my students can actually do. But I'm really liking so far what I'm seeing in this kit. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll put the link for VEX Go into the description, and you guys can check it out for yourselves, see the cost involved. But for right now, I'm a huge, giant fan, okay?